How's it going, everyone? We're going to talk about Holo, give you guys the update on it, and tell you guys exactly where we're at. Are we looking to, for a move higher and all that, guys? I'm going to give you guys realistic price predictions that actually work and how you guys can be a successful trader doing this one strategy. So, I've been doing a lot of coverage on it. It's been bouncing up exactly where we would expect it to do. And if you're looking at my strategy, we use the band strategy. We look for trend channels of what is the most accurate channel that it's respecting, and where can we get these short kind of bounces. So a lot of people, have bought Holo probably way up in here at the EMA 20, which is where the deciding factor happens. That's usually where you get the biggest move, where it can hit this upper band, but it's usually a sell off. But oftentimes with penny stocks, they usually tend to go down. So if you look at the whole general thing of Holo, it's clearly downtrends with big spikes. It's clearly the pattern, but when we hit this upper band, it's just extremely risky, and a lot of the times it plummets down to the EMA 5, the 10, and the 20. We all know that. It has to do that. If you watch my videos, you know it does that consistently. So what we do is we look for price to be under all the EMAs. We look for time distance from the EMA 20 and the 10 and the 5s, and we look for these rejection patterns or these reversions to the means, because this is really all you really need when you go from $4.70 all the way up to 8, 100, almost 100% move just in those 3 daily candles, and you constantly see these little spikes up, but they all get shorted down, and you will always see your EMA 20 touch here, and that's where the price decides where do we take our next factor, and usually we go down and then we go back up and touch. So Holo has been in a very trend that we can all see, and if you look at the trend, you can very clearly see this is what it's at. You take the highs that make the most sense, you take the lows that have been respected, and you can see we have been bouncing perfectly on these areas here. So in this, anybody can see, well, if we hit those, it means there is support. Your best success is when you buy at those lows, and as you can see, 41 cents all the way up to like 70 cents, almost 100% gains in these little areas here. You make the little decent gains. This one was probably the biggest gain here, from 77 cents all the way up to a buck. So right now, Holo has just been consolidating as it's going down. You had these consolidations, down move, consolidations, down move. I would love to see a new trend channel touch here, and yes, I will definitely take it, because the more we go away from the EMA 20 here, look at this big distance. Price has to hit it, and to a T, we almost we almost had to hit it. And that's good for the bulls, because that gives us, another chance that we're going to hit it. And yes, it could go well over it and end up in the no man's land. That's where I say you never take the trades. We always want to take the trades below the EMA 5, and as you can see, we're kind of just right on the EMA 5. It's not really a trade I would take until I get that. The KDJ is at a 15.70. That is the bottom stochastic oscillator. The lower you go, keep in mind, the more chances of you pumping. If you take a look at the previews and the last times of Holo, you can see right in here we spiked at 8.48. Right here was 10.91. Right in here was, that one wasn't as good, so it was only a 17. And then right here was an 8. A lot of these spikes are happening below the 10 on the KDJ, so keep that in mind. For Holo, we haven't touched the EMA 20, and this is the most important knowledge. On 604 is the last touch. It is 801, so we're coming close to 2 months marks of not touching the EMA 20, and that means anything that don't touch the EMA 20 in 2 months is extremely long, guys. We're expected to touch it, but that doesn't mean you take the trade just based on that. We can finally say, okay, I'm going to draw the trend channel. We're obviously not at the ATR4, so we can't use this bottom band here. This bottom band is the best setups, and occasionally I will see trades like this, and I'll take it, and I'll make massive money doing it. But if we can't take that trade, then we need to say, okay, we're going to hit near the lower trend channel since we can't play this, and we're going to make that move up. The most conservative targets are the EMA 5, 10, and 20. I love to take it at the 5 and the 10 or up their trend channel, because as you can see, a lot of the times is price reverts back when it hits this 10. That could be a strong resistance. We've seen it many times. We hit the 10, it tries to get above, we resist. It hits the 10, it resists. and these are the beginning areas of the 5. We had to weaken the 5 before we get to the 10, and that's what these little bounces here finally hit the 10. But we've hit it so many times that I think we are due for the 20. We had 3 touches of the 10. There's no doubt we can hit the 20. But if your averages are just insanely bad because of all the pumpers and everyone saying you buy Holo at $1, $2, $3, then yes, it could be very bad. Because as you can see, what is the downtrend? The downtrend is continuous. You have these small little spikes, but everyone is waiting for this big spike to happen. Could it happen? Past results are not always future results. It doesn't mean we can have these big spikes all the time, and as you can see, they do get lesser and lesser and lesser. The spikes are a bit smaller and smaller, but they're still big spikes. You can definitely get out, and if this thing goes to $2, I'm pretty sure everyone will be hype as all get out. So this is Holo. Obviously trade what you see and ignore the people that pump it, and just do what makes sense. With this strategy, you will win over 95% of your trades. You'll understand patience. You'll get rid of FOMO. You'll understand a lot of things in trading of why algos take it to the reversion of the mean. We're just trying to get that reversion of the mean. If we get to the EMA 20 here, we're making well over 40% right in here, and it's just massive gains, right? Let's just do the math here. 45 cents, and we go to 62 cents. So if we do that, you can see it's not bad gains, guys. It was 45 to 62. It's going to fluctuate, so you want to make sure you're getting good average. You're making around 37% to this EMA 20. It's bound to hit it. It's probably going to hit it in a week or two. But like I said, if you didn't do the proper accumulation, if you didn't buy the proper precise points, sell it at these little rips and dips, instead of aiming for home run targets, then yes, you would be back holding. Join this Discord, guys. I'm gonna put the link down below in the YouTube comments, and if you want to join it, join the description. It'll have the link there. Go to my YouTube comments. I'll pin it. I'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system, and I promise you guys, you will be a successful trader. You will be profitable. I'm not here to make you guys, millionaires. As of time, you need bigger accounts to do that. But you will be a profitable trader where you consistently win, time and time again, and you won't be part of the category of over 90% of traders lose. So when you join, hit the free chat. You'll be in the free chat. Please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer or your phone browser. Read avoid scammers. I'll never message or DM you first. Head on over to Server Shop, and you'll see I offer the swing trading and then the day and swing trading plus. The day and swing trading plus is going to make you guys the most money. If you have a small account or even big account, I'm telling you, I definitely recommend this. This has been one of the best services that I offer because we're looking for reversions to the mean on shorter time frames. We're using fast term options to make 20 to 30% gains in roughly 10 minutes of trading. I call it the 10-minute trading strategy. You get in, you get out, and you enjoy your day. It's awesome. I'm telling you, it's one of the things. I think it's a very good secret. If you guys love the reversions to the mean, the trend train, where you do trend channels and all that, you're going to love this strategy. So with this strategy, you want to look for the big massive reversion candles, and that's really what you're getting here. Even on the swing trading, you get these big reversal candles, and that's all you really need, and you're going to make very fast money in a short amount of time. I definitely recommend it. Day and Swing Trading Plus, $12 a month. If you do subscribe, do it on your computer, and you will access all of these channels here. You're going to get my day trade education, examples, education, day trade alerts, day trade chat, RTK journal. You're going to see the high success rate. When we click here, the swing trades have all been wins, 100% win ratio. The day trading has well over 95% win ratio with high percentages. 16-20 average of 10 to 20% gains is what we aim for, and I call it the 10-minute trading strategy. You get in, you get out, and you're trading 10 minutes of your day, and you can enjoy your time with your family. So I hope you guys enjoy this, guys. This is Holo. This is my update on it. I'll be looking more into it. Like I said, we just need that big reversal candle to the downside or upside, and that will complete the reversion to the mean, guys. Hope you guys have a good rest of the day. Happy trading, guys. Hope to see you in the Discord. I promise you guys will be profitable traders doing this strategy, and hope to see you then.